How often do you find yourself wishing there were more hours in the day to accomplish everything on your to-do list? Between work, family, and personal goals, it can seem impossible to juggle everything. But what if there was a simple way to balance it all? In today's video, I'll reveal a secret weapon I've discovered that has helped me not only to manage my time, but to create new lasting habits. It's called mini habits. A while back, I wanted to make breathwork and meditation a part of my daily routine. I ambitiously aimed for 30 minutes every morning after exercise, but reality hit, and I found myself making excuses to avoid it altogether. Frustrated with my lack of progress, I decided to try something different. I scaled back my breathwork goal to just 2 5-minute rounds during the day, making it so achievable that there was no room for excuses. This shift in mindset led me to an important realization. The biggest obstacle to our success is often our own high expectations. Enter mini habits, tiny, easily achievable goals that you can do every single day without fail. These mini habits act as a springboard for greater productivity, allowing you to break through mental barriers and make real progress. Let's visit some other activities I've been wanting to start. Learning Spanish, reading more books, and exercising daily. Now, in order to start all of those things at the same time, setting aside an hour for each is a waste of time. It won't happen. Instead, I could aim for just 3 minutes of Spanish, reading a single page from a book, and doing a few push-ups before my morning shower. You might be thinking, that doesn't sound very productive. But here's the secret. Mini habits are all about getting started. Once you've begun a task, it's much easier to keep going. Newton's first law applies to us humans too. Objects in motion stay in motion. These tiny habits can quickly snowball into something more significant. For example, I often find myself reading for 30 minutes or longer, even though my initial goal was just 1 page. The same goes for all my other mini habits. So how can you apply mini habits to your life? Start by identifying something you've been putting off, whether it's studying, exercising, writing, or even cleaning. Then set a goal so small that failure is virtually impossible. Instead of committing to an hour-long study session, aim for just 1 minute. Do 1 push-up, read 1 page, or clean 1 small area. Remember, motivation will come after starting, and once you're in motion, you're more likely to stay in motion. In the long run, mini habits prove far more effective than the all-or-nothing approach that often leads to burnout and abandoned goals. By committing to a small, consistent effort, you'll see incredible progress over time. So give it a try. Apply the mini habit concept to an area of your life where you've been struggling and watch as your productivity soars. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.